Okay, today we're going to mix up some compound from Sharpshooters that is supposed to work as a priming compound. The kit comes with 4 bags of different powder, measurer, and of course instructions. And the powders are marked with the amount of large scoops and small scoops that go into the mixture. And I'm not sure what they are, but this one looks like ground glass, this looks like sulfur, this is some kind of carbon, probably charcoal, and this is some kind of nitrate. I don't know what, but I've seen a lot of different recipes and there are some different nitrates that can be used. So what we're going to do is mix up the powder in the amounts. We're going to place it into the primer cup, put a drop of acetone on it, and insert the anvil, and then let it dry for 24 hours and see what happens. Stay tuned for videos on how I'm going to do it. I'm going to add to this shortly. Alright, here we go. First, 2 large scoops of the white nitrate type powder. One of that. Two of that. Seal the bag back up. It's probably hygroscopic. Alright. 1 large of the black powder. Well, the black in color powder. Alright. Seal that back up. 1 small scoop of what I believe to be sulfur. And 1 small scoop of what is definitely powdered glass. There we go. Now I'm going to very gently mix this all up and break up any clumps that are in there with our little brush, and mix and mix and mix, and I will come back when I have this mixed properly. Okay, here it is after a couple minutes of mixing. Looks pretty good, I think. I think next time though I'll take the white powder and really make sure that's fine before I add the other powders to it, because it was a little clumpy. I broke it up pretty good, but in the bag, but I think you need to mix that ahead of time. Now we'll get into filling the primers. Alright, now we're going to attempt to fill these up. Wear safety glasses and be careful. First, we'll put 2 primers in my little holder I made here. Very simply. And then I'm going to, they say 3/4 full. So I'm just going to gently bring the powder to the primer. Brush it in. On that one. Alright. And brush it away. Alright. Now, they say a drop of acetone. So, let's give that a little shot. Oh, missed it. Drop in that one. Drop. drop in that one. Alright, that's in. Now, goes to tap it down. Got my handy little tamper damper here. Down. Tamp it down. Not going crazy. Okay. Got stuck there, but that's okay. I have my tweezers. Drop them back in. Alright, that's in. And now drop in an anvil. And another anvil. Alright, and now I gotta take it over to my little press I have here. So stand by, I'm gonna change camera angles. Alright, camera angle's been changed. Let's pop these primers over to here and see how this works. Alright, one primer onto my little gadget here and press the anvil in, and it didn't blow up. And we set it in our tray. Second one, set it in here, make sure that's nice and level, and give it a little press. There we go. And now I'll just do the rest of them and let them dry for at least 24 hours. Alright, here we go. Well, there was enough powder in the first single batch to do 28 primers. There they are, all set and drying. It said 24 hours, but I'm going to let them go probably a little longer because it's freezing cold outside and I can't get to the range until it warms up a little bit. So stand by for testing soon.